Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Engineer Hussein Wasapi and this is a continuation of our physics problems. Alright, so before we begin, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's get to it. So the question reads to say, figure B3.1 below is a diagram showing a load being moved using a wheelbarrow. So as you can see, we have the load here. So the total mass of the wheelbarrow and the load is 80 kg, taking gravity, which is small g, to be 10 newtons per kg. The first part of the question is asking us to calculate the weight of the wheelbarrow and the load. Now, in the question itself, the answer is literally given. It's telling us that the total mass of the wheelbarrow and the load is 80 kg, and we need to find the weight. Be mindful that weight is equal to mass times gravity. So with that in mind, let us find the weight. So the mass of the wheelbarrow and the load is 80. Gravity is 10. So this gives us the weight to be 800 newtons. So weight is in newtons because it's a type of a force. Now, numerator 2 says that we need to calculate the force F required to lift the wheelbarrow. So we're calculating this force. Now, how do we find that particular force? So this is the pivot in question. So force 1 times distance 1 is equal to force 2 times distance 2. So the first force is the weight, which is the weight of the wheelbarrow and the load, and that is 800, times the distance from the pivot to the weight, which is about 0.5, is equal to the force in question that we're looking for, F, times the distance from the pivot to where the force is, which is 0.5 plus 1.5. So if we compute this here, 800 by 0.5 will give us 400, being equal to 0.5 plus 1.5, that's 2, times F, that's 2F. Dividing both sides by 2 in order to find F, we get to find that the force F required to lift the wheelbarrow is 200 newtons. That's 2 there, 1, 2 there is 200. So that is the force that is required. Now, a question, which is B, says state whether force F would increase or reduce when the handle of the wheelbarrow are made longer. Now, what you have to understand that if the handles of the wheelbarrow are made longer, the force F required to lift the wheelbarrow would reduce. So basically, we can say that it would reduce. There are so many reasons to why it would, because if we understand this in terms of efficiency, longer handles make it easier to maneuver and balance heavy loads because they provide more control over how forces are applied relative to things like wheels. There are so many reasons. You can also put in consideration of the mechanical advantage, but that's a story for another day. Alright, thanks for watching. See you.